Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and it's been a while we don't make a video because there is bad circumstances happen. So my bike is stolen, and about 2 weeks already I don't go for jogging or for biking because I get a little bit sad. But for now we are very glad and very happy because we are completely back to the road and leave our stress behind it. And introducing with my new travel companion, this is our new bike, the giant Talon 1, so that we can go back to the road. And for today's journey, we will use this bike to travel inside the city and go to the some park like this. It's very common in Saudi Arabia, especially here in Jeddah. You will find many good parks to relax and to unwind and to leave your stress behind. So join me in my journey this morning. Together with this bike, we will try what is the feeling or what is the sensation when you are riding this bike. So thank you once again for joining us with our journey for today.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave.
It is 6:40 in the morning and the sun is very hot and the weather is about 32 degrees Celsius. Also, it is very exhausted because the humidity is too high.
Feel that our love is real.
Not only from exercising your body, but also your eyes can find many shapes that gives you relaxation in the morning.
I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end.
As far as it goes, you're biking in the morning, you feel very comfortable with your bike, especially like this kind of bike that the wheel is bigger and also you have air suspension, even if it is hardtail, so you found more enjoyable and also relax in riding this kind of bike.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end.
Colorful flowers, trees, natures can give you oxygen so that the biking or exercising in the morning can give you more energy and also you can relieve the stress.
I love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna.
Approaching the main road, this is Prince Sultan. As you can see here, it is very clear, especially in the morning. That's why you are very free to bike in this road, but also you will be very careful. You don't know any circumstances happen when you are biking. That's why we always drive defensively and be safety always.
Is rare, and I wanna take you there.
New sightseeing, new experiences in the morning can give you other perspectives in life to motivate yourself in any circumstances or bad things happen.
Love you. If I'm gonna love somebody.
One nice thing about biking in the morning is you can select mini stores or cafe to have some coffee and relax, and also you can have some good breakfast or snacks.
Oh, oh.
We appreciate that you are watching this video, and you can help us improving these channels by liking this video and also subscribing to these channels. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell.
I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me.
So I feel great. Is morning biking is very relaxing, and also you can have a great exercise to have a ride. But the situation now here is very hot. Starting the summertime, the humidity level is high, but we will continue and pursue because we must relieve the stress behind the road.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected.
In biking, it is your responsibility to choose the road. You can choose the road that is wide and open, but also there are many roads that have trees that you can have a shade when you are biking to avoid the heat of the sun.
I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next.
The coconut ambience giving you a remembrance that you are near to the sea. Later on, we will go to the sea using this bike.
I can never hit the brakes every time you touch me, babe.
One thing I love biking in this area is too quiet, peaceful, and you can see the natures, even the birds. You can hear their singing each and every morning. And now we reach our destination.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me...
Even though you feel tired a little bit because of the temperatures, but when you reach this kind of area, it's very promising, it's very rewarding, and with the fresh air and with these sceneries, you can leave your stress behind the road. Once again, when you're returning to your home, you can have more motivations and more perspectives in the creativity and many other possibilities in your decisions in life.
In the sky, will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Many new murals or artwork in this park, but still not finished. But when it is finished, it will be very great to have some relaxation in every morning in this park.
The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room, I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down.
It is very memorable when you have this kind of experience, the beauty of the natures and also this park and the fresh air. That's you can unwind each and every morning and giving you much more presence of the positivity in our life.
Wake up in the sky, will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Oh, when we touch is when I really come alive.
It will be a journey travel later on because we have already our travel companion, our giant Talon one. And this is Alroda Park, and I found very peaceful, and also my stress I leave already behind the road. And you can find out many murals from here, and also the natures with the nature sound, the ambience of the birds in this area, and also it's a badge vegetations, and it is the good thing. That's why we are traveling or making exercise each and every morning. So thank you once again for watching this video, and we will have mini video or journey soon because we have already our travel continue. This is Prexyll from Prexyll saying, leave your stress behind the road.